How much time will it take you to build up this dashboard? A P&L Command Center where you can run different scenarios like actuals, forecasts, upside, and also to filter within different business units. And not just that, you can have full year, year to date, quarter to date, etc. And even have your expense mix, margin bridge, risk opportunity maps, executive commentary, and even variance detail. Well, if it's more than 10 minutes, stay here, because by the end of this video, I will show you how you can create this exact same dashboard for your data in less than 10 minutes. In this new section that I have called Python Can Do What? Welcome, I'm Christian Martinez, and today I'll be giving you all of the tips and tricks in order to create exactly this using AI and Python. So let's start. The first step that you are going to be doing is to go to the top left and do File and then New Notebook in Drive. What that will do is that it will open a new Google Colab notebook. Now, I recommend you to name your Google Colab notebook at the top, like Finance Command Center, and then your name. Then, in here, you can basically start coding already, but we're going to be doing a couple of things to make it easier to read. So go and add a text cell at the top, and then in here, we're going to be writing step 1, and then import libraries. Now, if we only do that, and then we go out of it, then it will go like text, but then we can also edit it by selecting and then clicking here, toggle heading, to make it look like the one I had in the other tab. Then in here, you can move the code cells by going to move cell down here, and basically we'll have the top and then the code. In the code, then you can already import the code that we have in here. So you go to the first file, copy, and then paste it there. And you run the code by clicking on the top left. You know that it's running because this is slowly moving. And then you know that it's completed to be run because there will be a quick tick that will appear. Right now at the top right, you see that it's still connecting. Now, here's the tick in there, and we will go back to mine, and then you can either write it or just copy paste this, creating sample data. You can even copy the whole thing into yours. So then again, text, paste it, and then you can formatting by selecting this and make it look like mine. And you will add another code cell. You'll go back to mine, and then basically this is the code that you will be using. So you can just copy and paste it into yours, and then hit run. As you see, now it's so much faster, just 0 seconds. Then, this is the important part. We need basically an HTML template. This will contain the entire dashboard. And there would be some structure using other programming languages as well. Now, for you to note, then we can copy first the text as we did it before, plus text, and then paste it, and formatting this, and then plus code again, and come back and copy the code. Now, I'm going to paste it and hit run already, and as you see, in 0 seconds, it has run. Now, I do want to explain a couple of things of this code. I have the detail here, but let me tell you. So, in here, they have a CSS styling section and a JavaScript section. and then also the KPI calculations. It's a very big code here, but the main thing that I want you to have as a takeaway is that you can modify any section on the code, and then this will be basically modifying the dashboard as well. I'll show you in about 2 minutes how to modify the code. But first, let's go to number 4, saving the dashboard. So again, I'll just recommend you to copy and paste here. So once again, text and the new section. So that looks more straightforward. And then plus code that you can add in below and copy paste this part. Now, when we click here, then our dashboard will be saved. In here, as you see, it has that name that I gave. You can also modify the name. And then we go to files, that is the bottom left in here. And in this area is where you will find your dashboard. So it appears there, and then you can do these 3 little dots and then download, and it will go to your downloads. And then you can open it. So you can click here, open file, and you will be able to see your actual dashboard. So this is exactly what you built in under 10 minutes. Congratulations for your dashboard. Now, one more thing that I want you to take away is that you can customize this with your real dataset. You only need to replace the sample data in the second code. So then that's basically in the area that you created of creating sample P&L data in there. And then you can modify all of these figures in order to match your own. And as I was mentioning, I want to also show you how to get this code. Because you can basically just copy paste this prompt into any AI that you would want, and then you will get the code. Now, you will basically copy from here all the way below, and then go, let's say, to Claude, ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini, paste it, and send it. And what AI will be doing is creating the code for you, that then you will go and copy paste it into Google Colab in order to create your P&L Command Center. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below.